you really want, what you really need, then you must decide that it'll never harm.
A deck of cards that I have made to go with the transformation wheel, theory and practice, and the 7D process. So I made these little bags that they go in, and thought I'd just go through these cards with you, maybe one by one. This may take more than one video to explore the process, but I have them all with the instructions so you can see how to use these cards. You can do it any way you want to, actually, but I just thought it might be nice to have a set of instructions to go with it. The set of 7 steps in the transformation wheel has 3 separate levels. So there are 3 times 7 for the transformation wheel cards, and then there's the 7D process. And each one of those has a card of its own as well. Here's what the cover looks like. Human Journey. That's what that one says. Love posted. I wrote all of these cards as I was meditating. So I have done this since 1987, so I know the process very well. But still, you have to continue to practice the process, otherwise you forget it. And there are a lot of steps that I forgot. So when I'm doing these cards, I'm going to go ahead and shuffle them as I would in a meditation, focusing on something that I would like to realize, manifest, actualize in 2022. So the first one I'm going to put, now what you need to do is put them down, face down, with the words down. So we're going to put these down like this. They're not really shuffled exactly. They're not shuffled exactly. What they are is they're just spread out with the image side showing like that. Turn over all the ones that have the words showing. Just turn them over and leave the image side up like that. Now, then we pick one up. Just pick one up that you like. Pick any one of these that you like. Which one of those images do you like? Five. 6. 7. Let's just do 7 for now. And it is Dispel the Myth. I'm glad I got this one, the first one. I needed this. Dispel the myth, whatever that myth is for you. A new cycle of understanding enlivens my soul. I now dispel any personal mythology that has kept me from reaching my highest good. I am the light of the world. I may wander through the desert, but I know what I am doing is of supreme importance. I take the veil off of that myth now, and I move forward in the light. I like this one very much, especially for the new year. And this year we have to be the best you. You have to be the best you in 2022. So that's the first one. The next one I picked up, And as you recall, we laid them out from left to right, and we're picking them up from right to left. This is the picture. It's the my. This is my pickup sticks mandala, and I have my Japanese signature down there in the corner, which says Billy Ruth in Old Japanese. This in Old Kanji. This is the other side of it, which is connect. Level 3. Ooh, I'm glad I got a level 3 today. Connecting. We're connecting, aren't we? So connect, level 3. I connect to the great flowing stream of historical praise. I listen carefully and hear the voices of my ancestors awakening and reactivating me like a drink of clear, fresh water, for my thirsty soul is connected to a vast ocean of historical praise. I dance and dive with the very essence of my spirit throughout history. I bring this new understanding back to the surface. Now is the time to share. That's what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, this is a great reading today.
Cuando llegó la luna llena, llegó también las energías buenas. Somos todos aquí, dando el amor aquí, luz a luz, aquí, iluminando paz. Cuando llegó la luna llena.